currently 8:15 a.m. on Monday. Last night around 5 p.m. I decided that I'm going to drive up to northern Maine, where, as you guys know, that's where I'm from. I need to go up there for something very important. It's about a 26-hour drive. This video is going to be part 1. It's been several weeks since I washed the car last with the Chemical Guys Hydro Suds, and also I put on, wherever it is, the Car Pro Reload. Look at this. The windows are crazy still. The hood is also doing very well. Fenders are doing alright. I love it. Damn it, dude. It's starting to rain, man. Just as I was finishing it. Friggin' A, dude. Do you have any last words?
Yeah, be safe and don't do anything stupid.
I'm gonna floor it the whole way there.
Cameron, you better behave.
I'm not gonna behave. I refuse. This shall be the great journey.
You are the reason why I have anxiety. Like, just be safe. Please.
I'm the reason I have anxiety too.
Yeah, because you don't know how to plan things.
Onward!
Like, I asked him, hey, where are you gonna stop tonight? Ooh, I don't know. Wherever.
Is that what I sound like? What? You like the Type R, babe? Think she's looking good or something? You want it? No. You don't want it? Okay. Holy shit, boys. South? Oh, what the fuck? Damn it, dude. That shit is so annoying. It's not the only time that's gonna happen on this trip, dude. I do that all the frickin' time. It's because I don't have the voice on my GPS. If you have the voice, it'll give you more specific directions. What the heck's going on here, dude? Alright, let's see where I am, guys. Right outside Gainesville, Florida. Haven't really gone that far yet. My anxiety has been through the roof during this drive so far. I think it's been about 2 hours on the road, a little more than 2 hours. I just feel extremely anxious. I'm like speeding up to 90 to pass semi-trucks, and a couple of them, like, you know, they're drifting all over the road, drifting into other lanes. And then you have just regular fucking Nissan Altimas swerving through traffic at 100 miles an hour. I'm starting to think this was a bad idea. Cool, man. So, semi-truck just broke down or something right here.
At the light, use the left lane to make.
I don't know exactly how many stops I'm gonna make on the way up. This whole thing is short notice, so I doubt I'll be able to figure stuff out with enough time in advance for people to actually make it out. Right now, I am on the outskirts of Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm getting onto a highway that's gonna take me up through Savannah, Georgia. I just got super excited because the on-ramp, I don't know, it just like went up, just because it wasn't flat. I am going to be so excited when I get to see some curvy roads. Thank you for visiting Florida, folks. We are leaving Florida. This feels weird. What the hell is that? It's like an MGB or something? Well, this is Georgia. It looks pretty much the same so far. What I do like about this is the highways seem a little nicer than what we just had in Florida. Florida roads, honestly guys, they kind of suck there. Especially where I live in Riverview, by Tampa, the roads are not good at all.
Turn right.
Oh, those guys are cruising. I didn't start tracking my trip until, dude,
State Route 1.
You gotta calm down. Yo, bro, what the fuck are you doing, man? What the fuck was that all about? I'm gonna fucking blow by this guy. What a douche nozzle. I started tracking this trip pretty late, So it says I only have 205 miles on trip A. My average fuel economy is 39.4 miles per gallon. 39.4 miles per gallon. And I haven't raced anybody yet. I want to race somebody. There's a scat pack, there's a Charger scat pack that pulled up to me earlier, but there was just too much traffic. You guys see that? The semi-truck is smoking badly. Dude, this guy needs to pull over. Welcome to South Carolina already? Pretty cool. There's still palm trees here in South Carolina. I love palm trees. I'm at this random Flying J truck stop in South Carolina, and some foreign guys in a really nice Jeep SRT8 just tried to scam me. They like pull up in front of me as I'm walking to my car from the building. He starts talking to me, but I couldn't hear him. Like, he was talking really, really low, and I think I was intentional, because then he just like pulls out this gold chain.
Turn left onto West Jim Bilton Boulevard.
Dude, you need to shut the fuck up right now. He pulls out this like gold chain and tries to hand it to me. Tells me something about like a baby, please help, or whatever you can give. And I said, no, sorry, man. And I like pushed his hand back towards him, and he got really fucking pissed. And his passenger looked even more pissed. It was just really sketchy. So I'm getting the fuck out of here. Am I doing a fourth gear pull? I guess dude, this guy's going a little slow there, bud. This car is so freaking fast, man. Not as fast as Marco's, but it's still really fast. I'm so excited to get this up to Caribou, my hometown. I don't know, I really would like to get some races in somewhere along the way. I know there are a bunch of people who have been DMing me saying, you know, to stop here and there, and a lot of people actually want me to stop in New Jersey. If I can't do that on the way up, because I might be driving through New Jersey at 2 in the morning, I will try to do that on the way down. Oh yeah, baby. Of course, dude, this semi just freaking pulled out in front of me. There's been an endless stream of traffic in the left lane. I'm about to fucking rip it, dude. I want to take down some V8s, guys. I don't know if you could tell on video, this thing really needs some motor mounts, for sure. These are probably damn near blown out. Gas mileage check, 39.2 miles per gallon. I don't know if I'm tired enough yet, boys, to pull over and take a nap, but I am gonna stop at this Buc-ee's up here. So, right when I pull up and shut off the car, it starts pouring. Right before I left the house though today, I did put some more CarPro Reload on the windshield, the back, because the back always gets super dirty, and this window. And wow, it's still holding up on that one too. I mean, you could see the water just like sliding off. That's so nice. It's 1:06 a.m. I have been sleeping since 9:55. That's when I shut my eyes. It was so peaceful when I fell asleep because it was raining. I'm gonna head inside Buc-ee's, get some sort of caffeinated drink, and then come back out and get going. My contacts are super dry. I gotta wet them. Tire pressure low. Dude, that's been on for like a week now. Yes, I was irresponsible. I did not check that before I left, but the tires look fine to me. Look how this water just like flies off. Look at this. It like flings it off the car. It's violent. Okay, that's like the 4th person since I've woken up that has like stared, broke their freaking neck at my front end. So I don't know if there's a fucking something wrong with my bumper or something. Dude, I have no idea what people are breaking their necks about. Could just be like the mugen lip. I have no idea, but somewhere in North Carolina. There were a lot of cars here parked. I mean, this was like packed. I felt good. I felt better that I wasn't the only one sleeping in my car. I barely even touched this monster earlier too, so. It's 6:55 a.m. and the weather is really nice here. It's nice and cool. Welcome to Richmond, Virginia. I've been calling Targets along the way so far, asking if they could check on the Halo action figures for me. Haven't been able to find any so far. Surprisingly, there was only like 3 Targets in the whole Richmond area. So I guess Target isn't a very popular thing around here. What is a popular thing though is the police officers being really fucking sketchy. That seems to be very popular both in North Carolina and Virginia. I probably had 4 cops just today coming through North Carolina and Virginia. 4 cops on the highway like pull up behind me, tailgating me for like a minute, and then they all do the same exact thing. Then they'll get into the lane to the left of me, pretty much just stay in my blind spot. I don't know what they're doing. Like, are they checking my tags? Are they, like, what are they doing? After 30 seconds to 60 seconds, they'll take off. It's like, bro, you're not gonna get me for anything, man. But I think because the highway patrols are so strict in North Carolina, Virginia, I think that makes people on the roads behave a little better. That's kind of what I'm noticing. I really would like to race somebody on the way up. Definitely on the way down. Once I get to Caribou, I'm gonna go through all my DMs because I've been getting a massive amount of messages from you guys who live along this route that I'm taking. I'm basically taking 95 all the way up from Florida to Maine. Powerball 66 million, dude, I'm gonna buy a ticket. If me and Vivian won the Powerball, I would want to buy a house in the San Diego area. Obviously, I would be very generous to my immediate family and my close friends, a few of my close friends, but I don't want to bore you guys with that. Basically, I would want to buy a house in San Diego. Vivian really likes it in Northern California, so... Ooh, dude, a C6? If that's a base model C6, I would race that. I think that would be closer than a lot of people think. I can't tell if it's an LS2 or LS3. LS2 would be a super good race. And then if we didn't buy a house already that had a huge garage, like at least a 4-car garage, 2 stories, so that I could have 1 or 2 lifts in there, all that type of stuff, then I would just have one built on the property. And then I would have so many cars, dude. So many cars. I would immediately get all the 90s stuff. You know, I'd have to get a 2JZ Supra. I would have to get a 300ZX, 3000 GT, definitely a 3000 GT. Those are so cool. All the big YouTubers seem to do RX-7s, so I probably wouldn't get that right away. But have to do an Integra, have to do the Ford Probe GT Turbo, the 1st gen. Have to get myself a Bonneville SSEI, man. Gotta do it. Mitsubishi Eclipse, GST, GSX, whatever. The list is too long for me to even remember right now. Last night at 5:30, I posted the review video of Marco's Type R. Such a nice car. Such a nice car. That's actually ranked number 1 out of 10 for views out of my last 10 videos, so that's even doing better than the BRZ's accident video, which is crazy. Doesn't really surprise me though. I'm really trying to get Marco to keep that car, but he is going to keep on building that EK9 Civic, and I know he's been talking about doing like a K24 swap. Anyway, I really want to make Marco more of a regular on my channel, and I just told him that. I was like, dude, my subscribers freaking love you. Like, you need to be in videos more regularly. So Marco's down. You know, he enjoys being in the videos. he's just chill. He's just kind of there doing his normal thing. He's not one of those guys that like tries to put on a show or put on a different personality when he's in the video. He doesn't care. There's a camera in his face, like, okay, whatever. That's the type of person that I like associating with. The type of person that is not gonna like throw you under the bus when you're around a group of people. You know what I mean? Everyone's had a friend like that, where you're at like a party or you're at someone's house and you're at a big gathering, and there's that one guy or that one girl that'll act totally different and like pick on you and just belittle you in front of other people, and then when everyone else leaves, they try to act like nothing happened. Anyway, Marco's not that type of guy. But with Marco, my best friend Kenny, Eddie from California, I mean, I've been very lucky with my guests on my YouTube channel. You know, maybe there's something I can do to help him out with his EK9 build. When I get the 9th gen after I sell the BRZ and start going absolutely freaking balls to the wall, Marco will be there in a lot of those videos. So if I was doing this full time and like making bank, getting like a minimum 50,000 views a video, then I would definitely hire Marco, at least as like a part-time thing. I'm sure he'd be down for that. You know, as of right now, it's still a hobby for me, a part-time job in a sense. But I love it. It makes me feel good. I get a dopamine rush when I record, when I edit, and when I post a video. And I'm glad that a lot of you guys enjoy the videos too. Random stuff like this, I think I thrive off of this. This is my 6th road trip since February 27th, 2021. I don't know, I might have another one this year, so. Anyway, it's 11:35 a.m. on Tuesday. As of right now, my ETA for Caribou, Maine is, I don't know, probably 12:30 in the morning, 1 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, but that's not gonna happen. It's probably gonna be more like 4 or 5. I might not even get there till the sun comes up. But I hope you enjoyed this spontaneous video and the probably 2 or 3 more that'll follow this before I get home. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days.